can't wait to try this. Wow, I love this shade. Okay, this one is really my color. Oh my god, it just sticks by itself. Thanks so much for your love and support here on my channel and throughout on all my social media. I love you all. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So in today's video I am going to do a haul again. So I have been doing so much of haul videos just because like I bought so much stuff. So you are enjoying my haul videos these days? I hope so. And yeah, today's video is a haul too, and it's from Sephora. I got few stuffs from Sephora just because Sephora keeps on sending me emails. They send me so much emails and I can't help it. I have to go and check them out. And whenever I'm on their site, I buy stuffs. I have to stop doing this. So this is the last one. I hope it's the last haul from Sephora until I buy again. Okay? So this box came today and I just unboxed my monthly subscription box for January, and that video will go up first. If you haven't watched, do watch. It's Bellabox unboxing for January. Okay, this is how the box came. It's really nicely packed inside. I opened the box when I got it this morning, but I didn't actually check each product. Like I have to open it now and see if it's good or not. So first thing is this lip cream. So it says here lip cream stain set. So it comes with 3-piece set, and like let's see the first one. So this one is Marvelous Mavi, and I really like this shade. Okay, I will swatch this in a separate video. And the second one, which is red, it's Always Red, this one. And the third one is this Black Cherry. So the second thing is this Sephora Camellia Seed Total Detox Purifying Clay Mask. So this is the clay mask, and it is 100 ml. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try their clay mask. I think I should make a video. So the third thing is this. What is this? It's Sephora's Cucumber Seed and Hydration Cream. It has 50 ml of products inside. I just can't wait to try this product, literally. I want to try it now. See? It's just like this. feels so cool while applying. Smells literally so good, just like cucumber. And like it makes my skin so cool at the same time. It absorbs really quickly too. I really like it. So if I like it, I will definitely be buying it again, all these products, just because I'm a big fan of uh, creams and masks. So the fourth product is this. What is this? This is from the same brand, but this is cucumber seed and hydration eye cream. So this is by Sephora brand too. As you can see, it's written here. So it has 30 ml of product, and like it is for under eye area. Okay, it doesn't has any smell. Okay, it smells a bit like cucumber. It slightly has a cooling effect, but not as much as like the hydrating cream. But like, I can't wait to try this. Like literally, if I like it, I will definitely share these in my favorites videos. So do watch. Okay, the next thing is this. I have got no idea what is inside here. Okay, it comes like this. I don't know, but I think it's just a bottle or something. It was a free gift from Sephora. Yeah, it's just a little bottle, free bottle, where you can store your stuff. It's written Sephora here. Whatever you want to store, you can just store. It's good for traveling, so it's a travel size. So if you're traveling somewhere, you can just put it inside here and take it. It's a really cool bag. And this one is free. They just gave me just because I buy so much from there. Okay, the next thing is this, and I got no idea what is this. So this is Becca's Put a Glow on It. I think it has a highlighter. This comes with a 3-piece set, so I got 3 thingy here. So this is just a small highlighter, and most of you guys must have already used this. This one is in shade Moonstone, and I really like it. It has a mirror here and this highlighter. Oh gosh, it's literally so good. Like, I haven't tried this highlighter. This is me trying it for the first time, and literally I love it. Like, I know it will look so good on my face. So I got 2 primers with that highlighter. So this one is a Flashlight Priming Filter by Becca. So this is the primer where you apply before doing makeup, and this one is Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. So this will blur your pores, I think, and both of these I will try in my tutorial videos, so you guys can actually see if I like it or not. I will let you guys know that time if it's good or not. Okay, the last thing is this one, and it's a Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Bold Lip. So this is value of $110, and I got only for $42, I think. And like, let's see. I think it has some lipsticks. I really like the box. They taped it really well. It's just a shiny box. I literally love it. Like, it's so cool. And at the back it looks like this. And wow, just look at it. It has so many lippies. Okay. The first thing I can see is this Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment. And wow, it's just a lip gloss kind of thing, lip balm. Okay, the second is this Tarte mini lipstick. And this one is in shade Miami Vice. And let's open this. Looks like this. It's that bright maroon red, and it has only this much of product, which is good. It's by Tarte. And the third thing is also a mini thing. It's a lip glaze, and it's just a lip gloss, and it's by Nude Stick. I like it. Just a lip gloss. Let me smell. It smells good. It's red. And this is a full-size lipstick. This one is Flame in shade. It's Ultimate Lip Cream Love. So this is by Becca. Looks like this. The color is at the bottom. Becca is written here, if you can see it. Okay, and this is the shade. Okay, if you can see it, Becca is written here too. And it's that orangey red shade. And like, oh my god, it just sticks by itself. It has magnet, I think, here. The last lipstick is this by Huda Beauty. Their liquid matte lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker. So this is the full size product. So it comes with 3 mini and 2 full size product, and like, it's by Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, let's swatch this one at least. Wow, I love this shade. It's literally so pretty. Doesn't have any smell. Okay, I want to try all of them. Let's try, because I want to swatch them to see which reds are these. So this is Miami Vice by Tarte. Looks like this. And this Becca's Flame Ultimate Lipstick Love. Can't read it. It's literally so small in writing here. So that's why. Okay, this one is really my color. I really like this orangey red. It's beautiful. And if you guys haven't watched my last haul video by Sephora, do watch. I did share lots of stuff there too, and like, I did swatch some of the lipsticks from there, and the video may come up soon. So I bought some more lipsticks from Becca, and like, I really like it. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys are using any of these products, let me know in the comment box below. I can't wait to try this Sephora's clay mask and their cream and also their eye cream. Like, I literally can't wait to try this. I will definitely be trying after this video maybe. And if I like any of these products I have showed you guys today, I will definitely be sharing it in my favorites video. So do watch my favorites video. I share lots of stuffs there, and like whatever I get in my monthly subscription box, like Bellabox and whatever I have showed you guys in my whole videos, I definitely share these products in my favorite videos. So do watch. My coming up favorite video is like January favorites, I think. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Thanks so much for your love and support here on my channel and throughout on all my social media. I love you all. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.